Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair and then add a hair twine around it. Twist the ponytail around this twine and then wrap it up into a bun. Adjust the hair around it accordingly and then take the decorative piece, add it to the top of the hair as such to make it look like there are flowers on top. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair. Take a multiple prong decorative pin and then pin it up in the side in order to fasten the hair in place. Add a rubber band in the middle section, fluff out the top and then use a bobby pin in order to make a bun out of the top section. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Take the bottom left section of the hair, twist it, insert it into the right top section present. Join it with the rest of the hair and then make a braid out of this hair. Loosen the sides of the braid using your fingers and then roll it up, fasten it in place using these decorative clips. Use 3 of them to make it look all the more better. Take a rubber band and then make a ponytail out of the hair. Use a multiple prong pin and fasten it at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle section, spread it out slightly and then use a pin in order to fasten it. You've used a bobby pin. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then make a small bud out of it at the base. After this, add another rubber band in the middle section of the hair. Roll it around this ponytail or rather the bun that you've created. Loosen the sides using your fingers as such in order to make it look like it has all the more aesthetic appeal. Adjust the hair accordingly and once you're done, add clips all around it. We have chosen to add these 3 decorative small clips. Make the hair into 2 sections, twist one over the other as such until you reach the bottom section of the hair. Once you are done with this, roll it upwards and then make it into a bun. After this, take a decorative hair clip and then insert it into place from one side to the other. This will be the final look. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair. Twist the ponytail and then wrap it up into a bun accordingly. Now once you are done doing this, add your rubber band or rather your clip around this. That is the retractable clip. This is the final look. Next, we'll start off by taking the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it. After this, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, join it to the back. Now, insert the first section into the second as such and then twist the second in order to make it look like this. After that, loosen the sides accordingly. Use a decorative pin in order to make it stay in place. This is the final look. Take 2 sections of hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. At the base, tie a low ponytail, add another rubber band in the middle, make a hole for it and then roll the hair in on itself. Tie a rubber band to it as well. Once you are done with this, roll it upwards, make a bun out of it, use a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in place. Use a multi-level clip and then twist the right side section of the hair, insert it in the central section of the hair. Next, take 2 more sections from either side and then insert it into their respective sides. Once you are done with this, comb the rest of the hair. Next, take a section of the top of the hair and then add this decorative piece to it. After this, begin inserting sections from different parts of the hair. Insert it into this mechanism. After you are done braiding the hair using the contraption, it should be like a French braid. Now, this will be what it should begin to look like. Once you are done with this, add a rubber band to the base of the hair, or rather the bottom. Now, after this will be the final look once you have reached the bottom. On top of this, you may also add a decorative rubber band to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.